Hello friends, welcome to my channel Data Making. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to build a MongoDB instance on the Docker container. Say if you are building an application, you want to actually store your data on MongoDB NoSQL database. So instead of building a MongoDB instance on a specialized server to do some quick POC or demo application, we can actually spawn a Docker container which will actually run your MongoDB Docker image as a container, right? So we can do that and you can build our application. For that, we need to actually spawn your MongoDB instance on a Docker container. So I will tell you in this video. I will tell you how to actually pull your Docker image, which is a MongoDB Docker image, and you can how to run your MongoDB image as a Docker container, right? Let's get started. So I'll just go log on to my virtual machine. I actually installed the Docker container means sorry Docker Docker in software on my virtual machine. Basically, I'm using a Ubuntu virtual machine in my local machine. So, what is the Docker version I'm using is 19 point Docker version 19.03.5. Okay, so I'm going to pull the MongoDB image. So, how do you pull the MongoDB image? So, you need to use the Docker pull command. So, before that, let's use the list of images available on the Docker. Okay, so I'll just go and run this command sudo docker images. So I have a Cassandra image and the default image is nothing but a hello world image. So I don't have MongoDB image as of now. So I'll just go and pull that MongoDB image. So how do you pull it? Again sudo docker pull and followed by your image name colon the tag name. Okay, so we are pulling the latest MongoDB image. So I just that's why I put Mongo colon latest. So it is going to pull this latest image. So once it is download the latest image from the Docker hub, we'll be running our Docker image as a container. So basically, containers Docker container is nothing but it's a runtime of your Docker image, right? So if you want to know more about what is Docker, how the Docker is differ from virtual machine, you can go and visit my previous video on the Docker practical tutorial playlist. You will be able to get more idea on that. Okay, so because this is the 8th video in the Docker practical tutorial, so you uh, just go and look other videos so that you get more knowledge on the Docker. Okay, so quickly I'll just walk through the next command, which is how to run your uh, Docker image. So we'll check after downloading, we'll check the Docker image, and we need to create a local path. So basically we need to mount that path to the MongoDB database for the MongoDB data. Okay, so we need to provide the data, which is basically a data slash DB. We need to mount it to our local directory. Okay, so when you run, so you are going to use this command docker run -d is the daemon and port number. This is a default port number. You actually expose your MongoDB port, your local port 27017, and mount the database location, and you just name it as demo MongoDB. So then you just provide the image name. Okay, then we'll get the container. We'll log into this container by providing your image name and as a in the bash by running the bash command inside the Docker. Okay, inside the Docker container. Then we'll go to the Mongo CLI and we'll run some database creation and collection creation and all. Okay, so let's look it here. So it is downloaded. So let's run again the Docker image command. So you see this MongoDB images come. Now let's um, create this directory for MongoDB data. So once this is done, let's run the MongoDB image as a container. So it is going to run this image and spawn a container. So it has created the container ID. This is a container ID. So if you check the running containers, we just say sudo docker ps. So this will list a list of containers running. So I have already having a running a Cassandra container. This is MongoDB which is running now. So let's log into this container, which is a demo MongoDB in a bash mode. So it is logged into that. Okay, so just type mongo, which will open the mongo CLI. In the mongo CLI, just use database name. So if you say use database name, so it will actually, I'm just creating a database name called testdb, and then followed by I just create a collection db dot create collection of user detail. Okay, so it's created. I just put some sample documents to this collection, which is the user detail collection. Okay, so once this is done, let's query the collections which he loaded. Okay, so I'm just using this command db dot the collection name and find of just giving the limit as 2. So it just we just 3 document in that collection. We just pulled only 2 documents. And if you want to find out the number of documents, I just run this command count documents. So it says 2. Actually we have 3 document, I guess. Somehow it says 2 here. Basically we have 3 documents in this. I just say db dot user dtl dot find. Okay, you have only 2. Okay, so first one did not um, run because of issue. Okay, I just missed the D. There is a typo over here. Say D. Run this. Okay, so it is now. Just see the count. 3 documents is there, and count 3 documents. So this is how you need to spawn your MongoDB instance as a Docker container. I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not done, and watch my other videos in my channel. I'm happy to help you if you have any queries. Thank you so much, friends.